Good morning, friends. My name is Miss Katie, and welcome to today's Play at Home program. Play at Home is a program designed for ages 2 and up and their grown-ups. The library provides take-home kit materials for you to practice an early learning or early literacy skill in your homes. You can pick up today's kit by visiting the library, or you can sign up for next week's kit down below in the comments field. We will have extras, but it's always nice to sign up and know for sure that you are going to get your kit. You can also give the library a call or check the link down below in the comments. Today's early learning is all about early math and pattern making. We've provided pattern strips that are simple AB, ABC, ABB, and AAB patterns for our young ones to make at home. How will they be making these? By using pom-poms. So what you're going to do is find a nice flat surface, and you'll look at your pattern, and you'll be able to march up the pom-poms to the colored dots on the pattern strip. We've included 4 colors and 4 pom-poms of each color in every kit. That's not just where the fun stops, though. Because we provided so many pom-poms, you can make your own patterns. We didn't do an ABCD where we use 1 pom-pom of each color, but you could. And maybe you have a pattern in mind that's like A, D, C, C, B, A, and you could help come up with that. That is so awesome that if you have ideas on how to make your own patterns. What I like about this as well is you can practice color sorting. You could put all the pom-poms into a bowl and have your child pull them out and put them, all the orange ones, in the same pile and see how fast it takes them. See if they can improve their score, or see if you, the grown-up, could beat the child. I don't know, friends. I think that our young little ones are so good at color sorting, it might be hard for the grown-ups to beat them. So I hope you have fun with this week's Play at Home. We'll see you again next week, Tuesday at 10 a.m. with another early learning concept. Until then, have a wonderful week, friends. Bye!